Where's the other truck?
This is worse than the fucking cars. One here, you.
No, we're one company. We're one company.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you have a trailer on. That's why.
It's worse than the fucking.
No, you know what? It is. It's the exact same. Where'd you hit?
Oh, the guy come out of the stop sign here. Didn't fucking stop.
And he just took off.
Well, he stopped. I got all his information.
Ah.
I hit the side of the cube, man. So it's all frame, right?
Oh, so you got the shitty
back.
end of the stick.
Oh, fuck yeah. The AC.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the AC there, and then the rad.
Yeah. Is it possible we can go back to my yard first, so I can take all my shit out of the truck?
Where's your?
Our yard is right up here at Highway 50. Did they call you?
Yeah. Whatever I said the name was.
Jenna
Yeah.
Creighton, okay.
Well, she didn't call me. She called my dispatch. My dispatcher told me to tell you that.
Our yard is like 5 kilometers. It's at 50 in Rutherford.
Well, we're just dropping this truck off. I don't know where we're dropping it to. They didn't tell us anything. I think it's going to the yard. Yeah.
I'll phone Jen right now. Hang on.
Yeah, find out, because we're just dropping it and going. We're not.
Well, that'd be good because I like to get my shit out of it.
Is it automatic?
Yeah.
Ah.
I know. You know what? Fuck it. You don't want to go 5 kilometers up the road.
No, we still can't.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What do you guys? You know what? When do you guys fucking invent those fucking dollies to put on the back?
That'd be awesome. They have it. They're just really heavy.
Where do you get that?
They're really, really heavy, and they're annoying. What's up, buddy?
I wish I had that fucking camera, man.
That's why we have it. If we break anything.
Where's this truck going? Is it going back to our yard first?
Oh, look at this guy. Make him to it, bro.
Okay, I get all my shit up here, okay?
Where's the trailer? Ask her where the trailer's going.
Okay, I'll get these guys to pull up. There's a little driveway here you can pull up into.
Well, guys, welcome back to my channel. So apparently, if you guys heard, all my camera, my gloves on the other side. Hold on. Apparently, this guy T-boned another truck, which is not here anymore. So we're here after the fact. But yeah, he T-boned another truck. And this is the aftermath of it. It's just leaking coolant, not much damage. So we're just gonna rear tow this thing and then get the hell. Yeah, so now we're here after the fact, and we're just gonna pull it forward, rear tow it, and bring it to Rush Truck Center. Ooh, it's cold today. It is a cold one. Coldy. Oh yeah, you could see right here where he hit him. He hit him there, all the coolant and shit came. Does it start? How do you know that? What's he waiting for?
He's just taking out some stuff. So I'll tell him when he starts and he unhooks. Just turn it around on the other side or just back up on the other side.
I wouldn't even drive it that far out. I wouldn't even drive it that far out.
You want to drive that far?
I would literally just drive it forward and you turn around.
Without coolant, if it's cold, the thing can stay running for like 2-3 minutes.
Yeah? Okay.
But they can run like a good minute or so, completely bone dry.
We should probably get some. I don't even have Exormo on the last wreck.
We're going to have to jump on the highway.
Out.
Later, buddy. Thank you. Excusez-moi. Okay. So they finally sent a bobtail to come get the trailer. So now we're gonna hook up the truck. Jay's there putting chains on in the meantime. Good. I didn't back up good enough.
When you getting your truck?
Mine?
Yeah.
This is my truck. Huh? Jay,
Getting your truck?
Jay's taking this. Jay's getting a new one.
No, when you getting your truck? The other one?
The one I bought?
Yeah, the black one.
Which black one?
Your tow truck. The one you drive.
Oh, I'm not driving that no more.
What are you gonna do now?
I'm staying in this. Jay's getting a different truck. Jay's getting a W9. I gotta poop. I gotta poop so bad. Oh, I hope I make it. I'm gonna sit down.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
A few moments later.
Came here to use the washroom to our yard. I did use it real fucking bad. Let's see what these guys are talking about. Take a shit. What?
Maybe shit's recording.
I can record you guys talking shit.
Yeah, you know, it'd be funny if he took a shit on his recording.
He did.
That's okay.
He's gonna have to crop that all out.
Okay, one time.
Nah, I'll leave it in there.
When I just started riding, I had my GoPro and I was taking a piss. And I came back on and it caught everything. And I was like, yo, I'm putting this in my videos.
For a porno?
No, but you couldn't see anything. Because it was on top of this little time I had it on top of my
Look, the truck that Jay wants is right there, the International. That's the one you want, right? With the square headlights?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. You're gonna follow us down?
That looks like a fuck.
Yeah, I gotta call down that way anyway.
Oh, they gave you one
Got another one.
They give you one already?
I'll give you another call.
already.
Welcome to En Route. Oh no, you're still in A+.
we would have done it today. Oh, it's nice driving.
Oh, you gonna drive out there, bitch.
Drive where?
Come here. Hey!
Said I'm never like you know it's special packet with some automatics. We gon' send them to heaven. Wait.
Alright guys, so we're here. We're here. For anybody that tows in the GTA and you towed to Rush Truck Center, you guys will know why we're on the side of the road here dropping. Because this yard is a cluster inside.
Yo, find out where they want it.
What the fuck, we're gonna drop it and then I'll go inside and tell them it's in the front. It's still mobile.
I usually access the case.
Because you're a nice guy.
Huh?
Because you're a nice guy.
Well, 'cause remember when we used to do riding? And everybody used to just drop it everywhere and we were like using it?
When what?
Remember when we used to do riding?
Yeah, but we don't tow for these guys.
I'm saying what we used to. I let the air out.
Why is the air in there?
I just turned it.
You didn't turn it on.
Hey, Jesse! Oh, Jesse, turn on the door.
Yo, Jesse! Yo, release the air in the bags?
Let's turn it on.
Release?
I already pressed the dump.
Or turn the key forward, turn the key forward. Ignition's on? I wonder what he clicked. Go on. Now. Hey, so you gotta listen to me sometimes. I told you that. Oh, he had his tow light on. Oh. You're gonna go bring it in? Yeah. Okay. You better hurry up. It's not cool in that thing. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Just 2 accidents today. One we didn't really get, and then we got this one here. That was pretty much minor with our customer. We delivered it now, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And always comment. You guys know I like comments. It's good. Alright guys. Peace.